Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. This part is in continuation of the previous part, so go ahead, watch it first and then come back to this video again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. In this practical, we will create a new fragment for the date picker. A fragment is like a mini activity within the main activity with its own life cycle. Choose File, New, Fragment, Fragment blank, and name the fragment Date Picker Fragment. Uncheck all three checkbox options so that you do not create a layout XML. Do not include fragment factory methods and do not include interface callbacks. You don't need to create a layout for a standard picker. Click Finish to create the fragment. Open Date Picker Fragment and edit the Date Picker Fragment class definition to extend dialog fragment and implement Date Picker dialog.onDateSetListener to create a standard date picker with a listener. A red bulb appears in the left margin. Click the red bulb icon and choose Implement Methods from the pop-up menu. A dialog appears with onDateSet already selected and the Insert@override option checked. Click OK to create the empty onDateSet method. This method will be called when the user sets the date. Change the onDateSet method's parameters to int year, int month and int day. Remove the empty public constructor for date picker fragment. Replace onCreateView with onCreateDialog that returns dialog and annotate onCreateDialog with @non-null to indicate that the return value dialog can't be null. Any attempt to refer to the return value dialog must be null checked. Add the following code to onCreateDialog to initialize the year, month and day from calendar and return the dialog and these values to the main activity. As you enter calendar, specify the import to be java.util.calendar. That's it for this video. We'll continue in the next part. Keep watching Back to Coding and don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.